Tak start record lagi. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami daripada Grup H akan membentangkan tentang online banking system. Lecturer kami ialah Dr. Zarita binti Muhammad Qasmin. Saya Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Saizal bersama rakan saya Syami Ali bin Muhammad Arsyad, Muhammad Zaidi bin Zulkifli dan Muhammad Akar bin Rusli. Ini adalah software recommend analysis. Online banking system is a system that maintains information about client or account holders' finance that includes account number, account type, account balance, transfer history, and pending transfer. The system will be used by bank and client. Bank will use the system to approve all transactions if any human mistake occur during a client payment. The key features of the system are online transfer, payment history, and account balance. The business flow. Functional requirement. Customer. To valid customer on internet banking has a set of requirements he or she does on internet banking. A customer login. A customer to be able to use the system, he or she has to enter username and password which has created before and been saved in the database in the login page. For logout, the customer must be logged into banking system. This function is used when a login user finishes his or her job and wants to be logged out so that no one can abuse his username. Check service. The customer must be logged into banking system. The customer requires check status whether it is paid, unpaid, stopped, or returned. It also allows customer to stop check payment and to request for a check on bank check online. Administrator. An administrator is that person who makes some editing for the internet banking system, like add or cancel customer, check the transaction, but this administrator must be valid user. Therefore, the administrator must have a username and password. View account. View account allows to a customer to view today up to the minute balance information on deposit. Credit card. The customer can also view transaction history with retention period up to a maximum of 90 days. Within this feature, the customer can request for accounts such as view online by email or by post option. Transfer funds. The customer must be logged into banking system to be able to make his or her transaction for transfer funds. Transfer funds allow customer to transfer funds between authorized account and personal account. Requested transfer take place immediately or at a selected future date specified by customer. The customer can save up to a maximum of 10 accounts and update or delete the account details. All the outstanding future transfers are recorded in a table. The customer can acquire. This is a
software requirement specification. This is our activity diagram. Next. Okay. So use case login, actor, customer online banking system. Description allows any bank customer to use online banking system. Precondition, the customer who has registered with our bank. Post condition, the user has successfully logged into the application. The system will show the main menu. Primary flow. The online banking system can be proceed when the user enter email and password. User will click the sign up button. The system will go to the login page. In the login page, user should fill the username and password. If the user not empty the username and password, system will tell the customer to fill up the username and password. If the password or username wrong, system will ask to fill the username and password again. When username and password valid, system will go to the main menu. Alternative flow. First, user registration. When user want to register the application, user have to click the register button and go to the registration screen. The user have to insert specify username and password, and after that, click register button. After user succeed the registration, user can log in. Request for password. The user click the forget password and it will go to the reset password. The actor specify email and click reset password, and then the system will valid email. at section flow, username and password. First, the application online banking system will display a message when you want insert username and password. Second, after that, you must click button login. Invalid username or password. The application online banking system will display a message when you insert a wrong username or password. And then you must fill the correct username and password. This is user interface. For login interface, use case manager payment. Actor user description. This use case describe the flow to transfer money to other bank account. Precondition, the actor is an authorized user and has successfully logged into the system. Post condition, the actor has successfully transferred the money to other account. Next. Primary flow. First, the use case start when user click the money transfer menu. Second, the actor then enters the amount wanted to transfer in the amount box. Third, then the actor will be prompted to enter the recipient account number. Fourth, the actor will then needs to click submit. Fifth, the use case and after click submit. Alternative flow. First, the actor continue with step 1 until 4 in primary flow. The actor instead click cancel. Third, the actor will then cancel the payment. And last, the use case end. Exception flow. Account number is required. The application will display a message, please enter account number on the screen. The actor clicks OK, use case continues. Empty amount. The application will display a message, please enter an amount on the screen. The actor click OK and enter amount, use case continue. Amount more than balance. The application will display a message, please enter an amount less than your account balance. The actor clicks OK and re-enter the amount, use case continues. This is user interface.
Okay, next, we got here software design documentation, SDD, and a conclusion. Firstly, online banking system have a high level design, such as you can see here. We got a customer and administrator. Customer and administrator can request to application server, and from that, database will save it inside the database from a request, and will give a reply for a customer and for admin to see the data inside the system. And that from application server or system, the response with data requested. Okay, next. Okay, and next we got CSCI overview. And here the CSCI online banking system, OBS, interfaces with the customer, admin, and maintainer actors, which is described in the figure 1 below. And here you can see online banking system got three compare user, which is admin, maintainer, and customer, to make the online banking system uh, function. Next, here we can see CSCI architecture, static organization. The CSCI OBS is organized into 6 main packages in UML, which are shown in figure 2 below. The criteria for grouping classes follow semantic rules. Each packages define a set rule which results in a minimum of coupling and a maximum of cohesion within the package. The use cases are packages due to their role. And here we can see 6 main packages in UML, such as security, user maintenance, data storage, money transfer, and code maintenance, also admin. Next. Here you can see the data flow for CSCS interface. From security, go to admin, and user maintenance, and strictly can go to code maintenance. But user maintenance can go straight to the money transfer, and from money transfer, there's data storage before they go to code maintenance. Next. And here you can see a database, two database. One is about instance. And instance, you got a memory. In memory, you got a two memory, which is a memory model and a process model. One, you got data. Inside the data, we got tables, rows, columns, and indexes. Also, metacode, plan, and SQL statements. We call it as a memory model. And next, you got the processes. In here, we got reader, a writer, logging, and user checkpoint. That's what we call a process model. And next, we go to database. Inside the database, we got the whole disk. Inside the disk, we got data, tables, rows, columns, indexes, logs, and control files. And we call it as a storage model. That's a database server. Next, in here we can see MVC, which is model view controller flow diagram. We got three data, which is model, view, and controller. From controller can method invocation to model and view, which is in controller we got defines application behavior, maps user actions to model updates, selects view for response, uses one for each functionality, and state change through the model. We got encapsulates application state, response to state queries, exposes application functionality, noti- notifies views of changes, and then event to view. We got renders the models, request updates from models, sends user gestures to controller, and allow controller to select view. And from that, you okay. Next, we got a code chart, which is program evaluation review technique. And here you can see design database part, code database part, integrate and test, and lastly go to implementation. And then we got from the specification, go direct to design GUI part and code GUI part, and lastly to implementation. And last we got a specification, go to write user manual, and lastly go direct to implementation. And in conclusion, our project is only a humble venture to satisfy the needs to manage the project work. Several user-friendly coding have also adopted. This package shall prove to be a powerful package in satisfying all the requirements of the subject. The objective of software planning is to provide a framework that enables the manager to make reasonable estimates made within a limited time frame at the beginning of the software project and should be updated regularly as the project progresses.
Okay, here is our interface for login. And we have to enter the username first and password. After clicking login, we will arrive at the customer home interface, which will show our account number and our username, Azim Amran, our balance, and our last transaction. At the left, we have our sets of GUI, home, my transactions, send, receive, contact us, and this is our transaction for the past year. First is on 27 of September 2019, which is opening account. This is transfer funds to transfer to other account. Okay, this is ATM simulator to simulate going to an actual ATM. Okay, this is our profile, which contains our balance, our personal details, our email, and phone number. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, this is for admin login. Okay, after login as an admin, we will have a sets of GUI, which is add customer, manage customer, and customer grievance to view all grievances submitted by customer. Okay, this is add customer to add registered customer, to add new customer. First name, last name, gender, date of birth, citizenship, IC number, phone number, email is used to register a new user. Okay, next is manage customer. This is to manage the existing customer in the system. Okay, next is customer grievance. Customer grievance. Customer grievance, customer grievance.
Proceed to post news.
Okay, post news. Post news. Okay, post news is to... Okay, buat balik lah. Pakai sistem aku lah. Hello?